Brent with KansasHydrographics.com. We're back with a pattern review. We call this Blue Bubbles. It's 50 centimeters wide. It is a blue and transparent film. It's essentially identical to our red bubble film. We're going to give it a 60-second soak time. We are right next to the train tracks. And every time we do videos, that sucker wants to drive by. And the whistles go whoop whoop. Hydrogator Activator 1.8 Aragunza. That is the Blue Bubble. You can purchase this at KansasHydrographics.com. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.